Transform your passion for anime into stunning visual stories with Capcut, right now. First, open Capcut and start a new project. Import the anime clips you want to use for your edit. Now, let's set the stage. Trim each clip to its most impactful moments. Think quick cuts, dramatic pauses, or character introductions that grab attention. Anime edits thrive on creative transitions. Tap the add effect icon between two clips and explore the transition category for an anime feel. Try the wipe or zoom effects, adjusting the speed to match your edit's pacing. Next, let's talk about color grading. To get that authentic anime look, select a clip, go to Adjust, and experiment with brightness, contrast, and saturation. Boost the saturation slightly for those vibrant, eye-popping hues often seen in anime. To add that extra layer of dynamism, explore Capcut's effects under Video Effects. Look for options like glitch, shake, or even retro. These can simulate the high-energy visual language of many anime genres. Remember to adjust the intensity and duration to avoid overwhelming your viewers. Stylistic choices are key. Consider adding text overlays to highlight character names, impactful dialogue, or even song lyrics. Use anime-inspired fonts and animations for a cohesive look. You can find these under the text option, and then add text. Finally, to truly bring your edit to life, select impactful background music. Sync your cuts and transitions to the rhythm and beats of the song for maximum emotional impact. Use the Capcut audio library or import your own tracks. And there you have it. Your anime-inspired Capcut edit is ready to impress. Experiment, have fun, and let your favorite anime scenes shine.